How to cancel AirAsia flight and get refund. So if you want to cancel your AirAsia flight and get a refund, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser. On the browser, you just need to simply search for airasia.com. Now it will take you to this kind of interface where what you need to do is just simply go with the bot, chat with bot, which will be on the bottom right, and it will take you to the live chat. And once you're under the live chat, what you need to do is, like for example, if you want to start a chat, simply go with start a new chat. And here you will have all of these options. So you just need to simply go with AirAsia flights. Just go with cancel. Here you need to type flight cancellation refund. And it says that you need to select a refund request reason, which is I'll choose medical cancellation. And you need to simply click here to view the fee and charges. And you can see that it says refund will only be in the form of credit account with 730 days validity, and you need to submit a copy of valid medical documents stating that you are unfit to travel during the travel period and proof of relationship if you are claiming a refund on behalf of your family member. So you just need to simply check that, and if you would like to proceed with the request, you can go with yes and then just follow the steps, and you'll be able to cancel your AirAsia flight and get a refund. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.